Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can send a message in the Chess Play and Learn application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Messages button. And then click on the icon at the top of the page on the right. So first you have to set who you want to send this message. So just type in the username and then just write your message. And once you are ready, just hit the send button next to it and your message is sent. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.